हजिक अखोई पुलमना माइल मापन चटकदौनी अदो हजिक माइल अहुम फाजले सो अखोई हजिक सरुक अहुम थोके अमदी चले दुगा जी समर ओइरबने हजिकसे अदुबो अखोई उन सदो खुदी लोजी हजिक उन सेंजी पुलमना राउंड ट्रिप ते पुंग तारे मुक चंगदौ माल किलोमीटर 14-15 Ngasi daw yam yai Lake Louise ki no Morin Lake se akoy ani khatan takhalai da
private
akoy ni khatan ya jik sim jida lai je mo sida contractor khar lai contractor ji mo lambi je close to budagi changma yadabdo koi khongna kilometer 3 chakadabdo kilometer 5 mung yoropada karam lai aduda koi hitchhike tor lai daw ya bhai tare car do contractor sida thawk taw mi oram contractor ni na modi samdu ya no sanga paduda kilometer 3 khongna chakadabdo set taw chini from the Mount Temple. You want to view you? So mamang you ne nang nawang na. Sing kapuya. Glacier water nahi see purest water then
hydro iyon arabo sida program mai busai
they are sliding over there. Look, 1, 2, I think 3 people. Yeah. Morin Lake Yaure. We were so lucky. There was a contractor guy coming. They can drive through the road. So we hitchhiked and he stopped for, and it's safe. It 2.5 hours safe walking. So we take the ride. So it was very lucky we are, and we are very thanks to the guy. Hojik moi un chokdora kan si loina sing yokalakini koi lepi ba jaga je si bo loina thumjalakini ayang ang sitanga